In spite of great medical progress, India still faces high infant and newborn mortality. Today, the government too is trying to fight this issue. But with Surya Mother and Child Care Hospital, all Punekars be rest assured. Because Surya Hospital focuses on newborn infants and mother care. And the visionary behind all this, who has dedicated his life to the well-being of mothers and children, the founder of Surya Mother and Child Care Hospital, Dr. Avasthi. Let's have a big round of applause for him. Dr. Avasthi, I request you to please share your thoughts.
Thank you very much. It's indeed a pleasure to welcome you here in Pune. We are extremely happy. We are obliged and overwhelmed with your presence. And I'm thankful to you for, in spite of your busy schedule, to take out so much time and come all the way to Pune. Thank you very much for this. And they have always been a great help to us. Whenever it comes to babies, whenever it comes to children, and whenever it comes to mother, she has always encouraged us. And because of this encouragement, we've been able to, start some hospital or do some good work. Thank you very much again. And this Mother and Child Hospital which we are starting here is a complete pediatric super speciality hospital with all specialties under one roof. Also a good intensive care unit with 60 beds. So we'll have 35 neonatal beds, 25 pediatric intensive care beds, and advanced maternity center. Everything under one roof. And as Surya in Bombay, our foundation will see to it that it is for each and every class of the society, each and every strata of the society. It will serve poor and rich alike. And what is also, and it has been our, last 27, 28 years, our aim has been to serve everybody and no baby has to be sent back because of affordability issues, and we are working on it. And India still needs lot of newborn units because our newborn mortality is about 7-8 lakhs in a year. So we need lot of neonatal units here and various small, these are big cities, even in small cities we need lot of newborn units. Dr. Shobha Sharma who are working with us and leading our team. Nandkishore, Dr. Kabra, Dr. Kabra, Dr. Shobha, and we all have been working together for many years. We have Dr. Sachin Shah over here. He has many years of intensive care experience. He is Director and Chief of Intensive Care is Dr. Kabra and Dr. Shobha. And he has been with us right from the day one we started working on this project. It would not have been possible without him. We have Dr. Manisha. She is Chief of Gynecology and Obstetrics. Dr. Anita looks after intensive care. Then Dr. Dasmeet Singh. Dr. Dasmeet Singh and Dr. Anil. All of them had faith in us, confidence in us. They joined us on day one. They worked together, and the result, as Surya Mumbai, we will really work very hard over here, and we'll try and provide these services to as many people as possible, and only with one aim to improve the health services given to newborns, children, and mothers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Avasthi. We really feel privileged that we have Surya Hospital now in Pune. Thank you. आणि आता वळूया आपल्या खास पाहुण्यांकडे. सुरुवात करूया तनुजा जी तुमच्यापासून. तनुजा जी, तुम्ही त्या दोन सुंदर मुलींना वाढवलंय. यू विटनेस्ड ऑल द चेंजेस, ऑल द मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज दॅट आर अवेलेबल. आणि सूर्या हॉस्पिटल गेली 30 वर्ष मुंबईमध्ये कार्यरत आहे, आता पुण्यात सुरू होतं. तर ह्या सगळ्याबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, आम्हाला जाणून घ्यायचं.
I think there's a mic here, right? Okay. Is it on? Is it on?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay, great. आता my Marathi is not all that good, huh? I understood what you said, but मला बोलताना जरा अवघड होतं. Okay. So I would like to say that I was in Surya Hospital as well. Not as a child, but as an adult. And I found that the way they looked after me, not only me, but they looked feel like I was a child. So I know the kind of care and the love that each and every member of the staff in Dr. Awasthi Hospital puts in, and I'm sure that they will do it here too. So congratulations, Dr. Awasthi. I know that every mother and every child who comes under the care of this hospital will be very well looked after.
Thank you very
God bless you, and may you have all the success.
Thank you. काजोलजी, जगासाठी तुम्ही एक अप्रतिम अभिनेत्री आहात, पण आमच्या सूर्या कुटुंबासाठी तुम्ही एक फॅमिली मेंबर आहात. कारण तुमचं एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचं नातं आहे. There's a different relationship that you share, and we want you to tell that relation to everybody so that they know why you are so important to us.
First of all, let me say that I think my third parent, I have two children. I have a son. माझा एक मुलगा आहे, लहान 4 वर्षाचा आहे तो, आणि माझी एक मुलगी आहे, ती 11 वर्षाची आहे. आणि जेव्हा लहान होती तर 10 महिन्याची होती आणि तिला हॉस्पिटलमध्ये घातलं होतं मी, ब्रीच कँडी इन टाउन. And at that point of time, she had a very bad, she had a very bad asthma attack at that point of time. So, आई होताना कसं होतं, आतमधून काय होतं, oh God, will my baby become okay? ती बरी होणार की नाही, आता हे will this be a lifelong problem? काय होणार तिला? And after that, I met Dr. Awasthi, and I have to say, touch wood, by the time she was 5-6 years old, all her asthma attacks stopped. And I truly believe, I always tell Dr. Awasthi that he's the third parent for both my children. I don't think I would have them today. I wouldn't say I wouldn't have them today, but definitely they would not be as healthy as they are today if not for him. So yes, I am a part of the Surya family, definitely. One thing I would like to say about Surya is that, about Dr. Awasthi, though he tried to put the credit onto all of us, saying that we all encouraged him. But I remember meeting Dr. Awasthi for the first time, and I remember him telling me at that time, त्यावेळी त्यांनी मला सांगितलं होतं की don't worry about it. Whoever you send to me, I will look after. Don't worry about it. Whether you send your maid to me, or whether you send your driver to me, or whether you send your friend's child to me, children are children and they have to be looked after. And that, it was awesome to hear a doctor speaking like that, and I know for a fact that he has encouraged each and every one of the doctors under him as well to think like that. So when you enter Surya, and I know for a fact it's like that because I've been there with my mother and with countless other, my nephews and my nieces and everybody, तर मला माहिती आहे की जो येतो सूर्याला त्याला तेच भेटतं, everybody is treated the same, and that is one thing that I think Dr. Awasthi should be extremely proud of, teaching and spreading that message. So congratulations, Dr. Awasthi. Congratulations to all the doctors over here. You all are awesome, and being a doctor is very tough. It's a 24-hour, 365 days a job a year, and it's stressful. And you all are just wonderful people, really. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That will be some little tip to all the young mothers here, because everybody looks up to you as a parent.
No. My tips you have to ask my mother for. I can't give you tips on mothering in front of my mother. Sorry. आईच्या समोर आता मी काय सांगू?
सांगायची काही गरज नाहीये. You saw how she was brought up. You saw how she thinks. And these are हेच संस्कार जे असतात ते आमच्या आजीनी, आमच्या आईनी आम्हाला शिकवले आणि आम्ही आमच्या पोरांना शिकवले. संस्कार जे असतात.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for all your kind words. आपण मीडियाकडनं पण
a lot of cases in recent years. So somewhere people has lost faith in doctors' negligence. So to gain that public faith, what would you assure the mothers and the people?
Our newborn mortality unfortunately is very high, but if you see all other statistics, whether it is maternal mortality or under 5.
I would like to shake hands with you. अरे यार थोड़ा फोटो दिखा ले थोड़ा.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
अनुजा जी
हम पुराने ख्यालात के हिंदुस्तान में हम हाथ नहीं मिलाते, हम हाथ जोड़ के प्रणाम करते हैं।
हमको तो वो गाना याद आता है
अच्छा
that is the song sir I can't I can say
Everybody look out. We are done? We done? Thank you so much. Thank you. Sit down now. Sit down. Photograph. Please sit down. I'm just for the video. Sir.
Don't uncross your hands. Relax. It's all right. It's over.
Everything's gone off well, everybody's happy.
It went off well.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
We'll come out from that
Yeah,
side.
sir. From here.
Ma'am, you just